Good Thursday morning. It's October 15th, 2020. I'm Guy McPherson of Nature Bats Last. You can find Nature Bats Last at guymcpherson.com. I'm going to provide a very few headlines this morning as the markets open and then give an indication where the stock markets are headed at the open here in the United States. A couple of headlines from yesterday. This one from Yahoo Finance. Coronavirus stimulus. Mnuchin says big deal before election, quote, would be difficult, end quote. Well, we certainly can't expect politicians to do anything difficult, now can we? We're talking about the continuation of this set of living arrangements in the United States and throughout the planet. And a big deal would be difficult, so therefore it's probably not going to happen. Indeed, from CNBC, stocks closed lower for a second day. This is after 4 consecutive days up. The last 2 days, all the major indices have finished down. So again, from CNBC, stocks closed lower for a second day amid coronavirus aid uncertainty. Dow drops more than 160 points. And also, from yesterday, at NPR, Paris under curfew. Europe reacts as countries see highest ever coronavirus numbers. And then a paradoxical headline from Barron's. The Dow dropped because investors can't make up their minds about the rotation. They're referring in this story to the rotation between buying one set of stocks and buying another set of stocks. So here's the lead. They're selling tech and buying energy. They're buying tech and selling energy. They're tying themselves in knots, trying to make up their minds. So the Dow dropped because investors can't make up their minds about the rotation, according to Barron's. But maybe there's a little more here. Maybe it's more than just that one thing. Maybe it's because, and this is from this morning at CNN Business, jobless claims head higher. 898,000 Americans filed for unemployment benefits. That might have something to do with it. Or maybe it's because, as reported in the Wall Street Journal, why COVID-19 is spreading again. Fatigue, colder weather, eased restrictions. Well, that might not be all, by the way. There might be a lot more going on here than just those 3 factors mentioned, like, I don't know, a second wave that appears to be just getting started throughout the world. So maybe it's the second wave that is causing the big problems here, that is underlying all the other problems going on. At this point, I'm just as inclined to vote for this puppet as I am for any other puppet for president. Not that I would vote, but if I did, why not vote for why not write in this puppet? And as we head into the open from CNBC, stocks are set to fall for a third day as Dow futures slide nearly 300 points. And where are we at 9:31 a.m. as the stock markets open in the United States? Well, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is in fact down more than 325 points. NASDAQ is down 190 and the S&P 500 is following suit, down 44 points. So that's all bad for a variety of factors. The stock markets, money in a few people's bank accounts, continued in industrial activity across the planet, and therefore the persistence of habitat for human animals on Earth. And we won't even get into the puppets and the puppet masters. That's just all I can take right now.